Alright, starting off here, I'm going to show you how to put an Insta360 on your motorcycle and what it's like when you take it for a ride. So I got my 1987 Honda Magna, and let me just show you the gear. So the first thing I got is the Insta360 One X2. Comes with the Insta360 lens cap. So obviously, here's the screen here. And then the lens cap covers both sides because there's actually two lenses on this 360-degree camera. And you can see on the screen here, this button right here, that changes it from 360-degree to other styles. So make sure it's 360-degree. And I'm going to turn it off for now. So you got your camera. Set that right here. All right, moving on. My camera kit came with this Insta360 monopod. Pretty much the camera makes this invisible on the video, cuts this thing out and fills in the space around it. And I put this ball, I screwed it in the bottom here, and you'll see why in a second. So this is going to help us mount our camera, further away from the bike so we have a wider shot. And I'm actually going to mount it on the front. It also comes with this piece. So this is kind of like a clamp. It'll clamp around a ball like this, and then you tighten it with this here. And lastly, we have this clamp piece. This is what goes on the handlebars. And then the clamp that I just showed you goes on here, and then the other side of it goes on this ball. So I'll show you in a sec. So I'm going to put this on the front. Snaps right in. Once you're in the desired spot, you just tighten it like this. Doing this with one hand, so it's not going perfect. Alright, got that pretty tight. Next step is to take your clamp piece. This is all from the Insta360 motorcycle mount kit. So you put that on there. And then don't tighten it yet. Next, you're going to put this selfie stick monopod in here. And then you're going to tighten this knob. So once you get this monopod selfie stick in there to the spot you want, you're just going to tighten this knob. So as you can see, you got the main clamp, and you got a ball joint in here. You got this clamp. And then on the top, you have your Insta360 monopod. This is going to extend the range of this, so you have a wider shot with your camera. Now lastly, we're going to mount our camera on here. You got the screw there. And just screw it on. And once it's really tight, you do not want this thing falling off. I'd recommend the first time you take this out, not to immediately jump on the freeway. Go on a back road, so in case something happens, you can retrieve your camera if it doesn't break. And of course, I will take this lens cap off. And here comes my associate. So you just want to, here's Reef, can you tighten this one for me? You get the camera to the desired spot, desired angle, and then you just tighten the second knob. And there you go. You got a 360-degree angle from the front. And the last thing to do is start the bike and take it for a ride. If you want to see more reviews of bikes, cars, and toys like this, consider hitting that subscribe button. And also hit the like button if you like what you see.